In my opinion, Johnny should not pay $1 to Amber Heard, and I'm going to tell you why in a second. But first, I want to just get this off my chest because I was just thinking about this.
So apparently the reason Elaine has been hopping from show to show embarrassing herself is because Amber asked her to do it, because it's the only bet she has for an appeal. So since she doesn't want to look ineffective, she's asked Elaine to do something called IAC, which is ineffective assistance of counsel. Since appeals are very hard to get in Amber's case, so she asked Elaine to run around on social media not only because of the popularity they were getting, but also because she needs to prove that Amber is not ineffective. This all means that the poor woman has been getting a lot of hate and being embarrassed in public, all because she needs to help her client Amber get her appeal.
A Virginia jury's decision to side with Johnny Depp leave her.
I think that a lot of that was that it was Johnny Depp. It was like a Roman Colosseum. It is the
Elaine went on a show and blamed both the jury and the judge, claiming the judge was biased because she wouldn't allow Amber's team to give more evidence like psychology notes, and that Johnny's team was allowed more evidence. She blamed the jury by stating that they had made a verdict based on the public's opinion, and that's why Amber had lost. Elaine received a huge backlash from the public, who called her incompetent and rude for disregarding the hard work and resilience of the jury. Now her client Amber also showed up in a show where she claimed she didn't blame the jury because they had been in court for 3 consecutive weeks listening to paid employees of Johnny and some randos, all claiming that Amber was a liar.
I don't care what one thinks about me or what judgments you want to make about what happened in the privacy of my own home and my marriage behind closed doors. I don't presume the average person should know those things, so I don't take it personally. But even somebody who is...
She betrayed her counsel, who had taken her side and claimed that they blamed the jury for listening to the media. She might have thought that she wouldn't get as much hate as Elaine had gotten. But unfortunately, the public still did not appreciate how she disregarded witnesses and even called people like Kate Moss some randos. The public also didn't like the fact that she had indirectly also blamed the jury for the fact that Johnny is a popular and amazing actor before she was shut down by the host, who reminded her that the jurors made a decision based on the court proceedings and not the dazzlement that is Johnny. It was pretty simple. The jury had found her guilty of all the 3 charges against her. They knew she was lying.
The statement has a defamatory implication about Mr. Depp. Answer, yes. Question, the defamatory implication was designed and intended by Ms. Heard. Answer, yes.
Honestly, Amber is the kind of person who would do anything so long as it benefited her. Her sister Whitney attended the entire court proceedings that lasted about 6 weeks, even when she had a newborn baby that she was supposed to be taking care of. As her sister and the kids' auntie, Amber should have let her sister stay at home and take care of her kids. But Amber needed someone to stay with her because no one else came to support her.
You may have noticed that no one showed up for Ms. Heard in this courtroom other than every other witness who traveled to Virginia for her was a paid actor. This is a woman who burns bridges.
All the testimonies from her former friends were recorded back in 2019 or 2020, and they are now no longer friends with her. She wrote an op-ed claiming that she faced the wrath of the public and the society for coming out as a victim of domestic abuse, and it was revealed that she needed the post released after her new movie Aquaman, so that it would gain popularity from Johnny's downfall. Also, the fact that she is said to be rude to even her own people and team is not a lie. We saw her walking out on her counsel during the trial, way before the jury and the judge had left. The judge had told her to go to her counsel, but she walked out of the court angrily. This is because Camille Vasquez, Johnny's lawyer, had shown dust to Elaine, Amber's lawyer, where Camille objected so much to her that all she could do was cry.
Calls for hearsay. Objection, Your Honor. Objection, Your Honor. Can we approach? This is objection leading. Objection leading. Objection leading. Calls. Objection, Your Honor. Hearsay.
All right. When there's objection, please.
Objection, Your Honor. Leading.
Your Honor,
This was such an embarrassment for Amber because she didn't even get a chance to testify in her favor before their time was over. It's like she didn't want to be seen with Elaine, so she left. Elaine doesn't seem like a bad person or attorney. She just chose the wrong client to work for. She's been faithful and has stayed around Amber even during the UK trial. But honestly, by now, she should just move on from Amber and find a client who would treat her better. Well, that's it for this video. See you in the next one.